M0FXB, let's add your Openspot to your RT3 MD380 type radio. So connect to your programming software as usual, and let's create a new channel. So what we do is go right click, add a channel. So there's our channel there. Double click it and we're going to call it Openspot, like so, and put in the frequency of your Openspot. So mine is 433.900. That's the one I like to use for my Openspot, 433. And now it's easier just to use talk group 9 on this. So select digital at the top left. So digital. Do your timeout, which go here on go 180. So 180 here, digital, frequency, name. Now let's put a 9 there so we know it's contact 9. Now you do need to create a contact for talking to your hotspot. So just double click digital contacts. And we have already created 9, but if we double click it, and I'll show you how to add a new one. So click add here, and let's call it, we'll call it 9 just for a demonstration, but really it's called local 9. Then click the number, which is the most important thing, and you would put a 9 here, but I'm going to have to put in a 10 because we've already done 9. It won't duplicate. And then it's a group call if you want to make, connect to talk groups. Private is more for testing, like 4000 is disconnect, and 999949's private is parrot test. I think we've already created that one. So you've created the contact or the talk group number because that's where you're going to transmit when you key the mic. Close that for now. Go back to the channel you're creating, and very important, the color code is 1 and the slot 2 will be fine. But what's important is the contact name, and we've created the word 9 here, but we're actually going to use the word local because that is 9. That in reality that is 9, and that's your channel created. Just save that, and then click, and then write that to your radio as normal. Let's go to the radio. Before we end, I will say if you want, you could put that channel into a different zone, and we didn't put it in a zone anyway, so we need to do that regardless. Otherwise, we're not going to find it on our radio. So go to your zones here. Each zone has groups of channel, and I created a zone called Openspot. But you could have put it in my hotspot zone. But right click, add, and then double click the word zone, and then you could call that Openspot. And that could be all your Openspot numbers, talk groups that you want to use. And then see here, we've got 4 that we could use. So just click the top one. It won't let me duplicate because I've already done it. So let's just, we'll go to the one I've already got. And then click the channels you've created called Openspot and just send them into your Openspot zone. It just means that when you go on the radio and you go up and down through the zones, find the zone called Openspot, and then your Openspot channels will be in there. So that's quite important for finding the channels. Just remember that zones are buckets of channels, files of channels, let's say. These are all the channels. When you look at a zone and you go into a zone, let's go to zone, go to Openspot. These are all the channels in the whole radio, but you've decided which ones you want to hear. And there's another way of deciding that partially, and that is you can put them into group lists as well if you want. But I haven't bothered to do that. So now, click program, write data to radio. So okay, back at the radio, we've got our Openspot turned on and connected. So we need to select the correct zone for our radio. So we go menu, zone, and then we're going to go select Openspot, okay? We're on the Openspot 4 Pro. Let's turn the channels until we get to the channels that we've programmed, Openspot 9, which is the one we want. And now, let's turn up the volume so we can hear it. We're going to connect to something. So we'll go quick. This is the way I do it. It's just the quickest way of doing it. Quick setup. We're on DMR radio. The frequency is 4339000. Now we do need to have a Brandmeister self-care password. So just make sure you've gone to Brandmeister, Google it, and then create an account and create a password. So we'll go to Brandmeister. Now we could cross mode, which means we can go from DMR and then join it to a D-Star reflector or YSF room. But for now, we're just going to stay on DMR. Tap here. We're going to put in 921 for worldwide, which is always busy. Should come up there. You tap the grey section. Let's try the word worldwide. It might be better. We're looking at the top here, worldwide. So it puts it there. We do use the UK server here. Just tap it here. Let's go BM, see if it finds it. So we just go, gives you a drop down. We're looking for Brandmeister UK, like so. RST, you there are, 2341 United. Then connect. Now we should hear the radio talk to us now.
Openspot connected to homebrew server. 10 shifts at work, night shift, 12-hour shift.
And that's it, look, call sign here. If we tap the call sign, we get QRZ. So that's DMR. Now just quickly show you cross mode. You just turn it down. It's working great. Quick, then we're on DMR radio, but this time we're going to go to D star, reflector 1 Charlie. So we select C by tapping the grey, tap the grey again. Put in 0, 1. Let's do that again. Oh, we don't want server. Let's just go back a minute. DMR. Reflector. Anyway, it's done it now. But you can change the number to 1 Charlie if you want. We'll do 30 for now. We'll click connect, and we're now cross-moding. Only the Openspot 4 Pro will do D star, and the Openspot 3. If you want the Openspot 4, it will do cross-mode, but not D star. It'll do YSF, and it'll do DMR, no problem. So yeah, no activity there. Let's try one more. We'll do DMR to YSF. Try and get onto CQK. Oh, someone came through there. Look, on D star. CQK is already there. But if you want to select one, you just tap the grey. Click connect. Sometimes there's a delay. There you are. Cross mode to Fusion on a budget DMR radio running TYT tools, by the way. What I like about that is you can manual dial. If you hit the hash, I can change these numbers and manual dial. Plus you get talker alias. Other features, you get a bar graph. M0FXB test, see that? You get a bar graph. So I think that's enough. So thanks for watching. That's how you set up your Openspot device, 2, 3 or 4 I would say, with your RT3S, MD380, whether it's the dual band or the single band mode, the older ones or not, it doesn't matter. This will all work in the same way. Bye for now, 7-3. Thanks for watching. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and like.